Russia has started delivering the S-400 Triumph surface-to-air missile system to India, the director of the Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation, Dmitry Shugaev, has said. The supplies of the S-400 air defense system to India have started and are proceeding on schedule, Shugaev told Sputnik ahead of the Dubai Air Show. The S-400 Triumph air defense missile system will give a major boost to India's capabilities to take out enemy fighter aircraft and cruise missiles at long range. The Indian Air Force will induct the first unit of S-400 systems at a time when India is locked in a standoff with China in the Ladakh sector. China has already deployed two S-400 squadrons at Engari Gargunsa and Yingchi Air Base in Tibet, across Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh respectively. News agency ANI reported, citing people familiar with the development, that the air defense system have started reaching India. They added the system will be first deployed at a location close to the western border of the country, from where it can tackle threats from both parts of the borders with Pakistan and China. The S-400 air defense system was contracted by India in a deal worth around Rs 35,000 crore, and 5 squadrons would be provided to India for tackling air threats. The news agency reported, citing the people mentioned above, that system is being brought to India through both sea and air routes. The first squadron deliveries are expected to be completed by the end of this year. The air defense system would give India an edge, as they would be able to take out enemy aircraft and cruise missiles from a distance of 400 kilometers. The S-400 missile defense system is equipped with 4 different missiles which can engage enemy aircraft, ballistic missiles, and airborne warning and control system planes at 400 km, 250 km, the medium range 120 km, and the short range 40 km. The Indian Air Force, whose officers and personnel have trained in Russia on the system, will start focusing on the eastern borders, along with providing resources for training of personnel within the country after the first squadron is deployed, the officials told ANI. India signed a $5.43 billion deal with Russia for 5 S-400 regiments in October 2018, and officials have said that all deliveries are to be completed within 5 years.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.